The daily code snippet. Sample rate is the number of times in a second that an audio sample is taken. These samples are being converted into digital data. The majority of digital audio has a sampling rate of 44.1 kilohertz, or 44,100 times per second, similar to audio CDs. Bit depth is the number of bits in each sample, or how rich the information is in each sample. High sample rate and high bit depth files will be very large but of higher quality. So the higher the sample rate and the bit depth, the higher the bit rate. High bit rate means higher quality audio file with better sound quality and larger file size. The bit rate of an audio CD is 1,411 kilobits per second. The .mp3 format can range from 96 to 320 kilobits per second, and streaming services such as Spotify broadcast at 96 to 160 kilobits per second. While audiophiles will prefer high bit rates, they are not always better because you have to balance this against how your user will be consuming the audio. If they are listening to a CD, does anyone do this anymore, or downloading the file, then maybe a high bit rate is okay. But if they are streaming the file, then the bit rate needs to be lower so it can be handled by their internet connection. Below 90 kilobits per second, even the untrained human ear will notice a drop in quality. Similarly, the quality of the hardware of your listener makes a difference. If they are using mass-market earbuds, headphones, or desktop speakers, it is likely they will not benefit from your use of a high bitrate file. Keep in mind that technology changes, so today's high-end professional headphone for high-fidelity audio may be tomorrow's mass-market headphone. So it is always best to keep an uncompressed raw audio file that you convert into future audio formats that may become available to you. Presented by Designers Learn Code.